You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding how your lungs work. Let's break down the complex world of lung anatomy in just 60 seconds. Your lungs are like the ultimate air traffic controllers in your body. Situated in the thoracic cavity and protected by the rib cage, they manage the crucial task of gas exchange. Externally, your right lung has 3 lobes while the left has 2, thanks to the heart's snug position. These lobes are separated by deep grooves called fissures and wrapped in a double-layered membrane known as the pleura. Inside, things get intricate with the bronchial tree, a network branching out from the trachea into bronchi, bronchioles, and finally, alveoli, the tiny air sacs where the magic of gas exchange happens. Oxygen seeps into your bloodstream, while carbon dioxide exits your body. And let's not forget the diaphragm and rib cage, the unsung heroes aiding in every breath you take. Stay curious and keep breathing easy.